How to turn Instagram autoplay video off. So, the first step is by opening your Instagram app and then by going to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen. Since Instagram still doesn't have the autoplay video off feature, then this is the only way I can think of so that you may turn off the autoplay or lessen the autoplay on your Instagram. So once you're in your profile, go to this three lines right here found on the upper right corner, go to settings and privacy, and scroll down and look for data usage. So you may see data usage under your app and media right here. So go ahead and click on data usage and make sure to click on the toggle button found on the rightmost part of use cellular data. So as you can see, for example, photos and videos may take longer to load. So this will help in lessening the autoplaying of your videos or someone's video on your feed. So again, since Instagram still doesn't have the autoplay video off feature, this is the only way as of now. So that's it. That's how you can turn off Instagram autoplay video. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.